PBIR. Let's do this, man. Come on. After last night, or yesterday, driving up to Bradenton with some awesome track conditions, amazing weather, negative 800 DA, tailwind, everything, and snapping the axle on the first attempt at a run. It was very disheartening. So we're here again at Palm Beach International Raceway. Palm Beach Dyno, by the way, huge shout out to Palm Beach Dyno. I actually dropped the car off on the way back from Bradenton at their shop. Ken loaned me a driver's side axle, put it in for me, checked all over the car, helped me out with some training fluid and a little bit of a leak that I had from that trans-cooler line. They got me all fixed up. I picked up the car this evening. Here I am after a long day of filming and having fun with the Bronco, and I'm ready to make some runs. Palm Beach Dyno, always helping out. These guys, pretty good. You guys hiring?
Yes.
16.2.
My mile an hour was off on the clock, 100%. Here we are again. Come on, man, so close. All night, right? What, I run 3 911s? Yeah. Crazy, huh? Get it. Be back out. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house. Just want to give you guys an update on my 2020 Shelby GT500. So, as you guys saw previously, I ran a best time of 9.11 at 1:59.99 up at Palm Beach International Raceway. Had a few issues that night that we finally sorted out. Was having that DCT over temp issue. I was data logging with John Lund Jr. and he sent me a couple revisions. Finally got it down the track. I didn't get my 8-second pass. Now, we ended up having some cold weather come through, and I got an invite to go up to Bradenton last week on Tuesday. So I rolled up there. Kelly Aiken was there from Keltrack with his car and my car. So I watched Kelly make his first pass, or attempted the first pass, and boom, axle gone, just like that. Factory axle with no replacement there at the track. We had to pull it away with the golf cart, bring it back to his trailer. I lined up at the starting line, same thing, pretty much on the two-step, 3200, let it rip. Car didn't go anywhere. boom, gone. That track is prepped good. It would have been a great day. I really think that if I didn't snap an axle, I would have had a good chance at running 8s. So I ended up putting the car back on the trailer, drove straight down to Palm Beach Dyno, where those guys actually helped me out quite a bit and replaced my axle, the broken one, with a factory axle that Ken loaned me. Thank you very much. They also checked some other things, some fluids on the car, make sure everything looked good. They got the car ready for me, and then on Wednesday, I was off again to Palm Beach International Raceway to take another shot at 8s. My first attempt at a pass, I had that DCT clutch over temp issue, just didn't launch right, so I rode it down the track, got some heat into it, came back around, hot lapped it, and I ran another 9.11. 9.11 at like 152 and change. I ended up data logging the car, sent it over to Lund, made a few little changes, rolled back around again, made another attempt at a pass. It felt good, another 9.11, and again, after that pass, another 9.11. Seriously, like, what's with all these 9.11s? So I really was hoping to run an 8 that night. It just didn't happen. You know, after speaking to Lund Racing about it, we do think that the car needs just a little bit more power because it's been very consistent. I believe I've run like 4 9.11s in the past 2 weeks here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the pulley size down from a 3-inch pulley to the Griptec 0.75-inch pulley, which will give me about another 2.5 pounds of boost over what we're running now. I think it's going to put me at about 24, 25 pounds of boost as opposed to the 22 that we had before. We've also got some G-Force Outlaw axles, which the guys over at G-Force sent me. Thank you very much, Jesse. Those guys are great. These are all new G-Force Outlaw axles for the 2020 and up Shelby GT500, which do differ from the regular S550 axles. So they overnighted them to us. We've got them ready to go in the car. So in addition to doing the pulley change and belt change and the axles today, we're going to put a fresh set of plugs in here. We've got the 6510s from NGK. We're going to gap them at 0.022 and get this car all ready to go, and tomorrow I'm going to make another attempt at an 8-second pass.